Hey everyone, Tim and Mary here of the Knott Network. We are back at the farm to
Yes.
get you all some updates, lots of scary farm action going on
Yes.
here today, and see what's new around, like how the ride updates and all that good stuff.
Yes.
So let's get right into it. There's the dips. There's that new maze right there. It's probably hard to tell, but they're building also waxworks, like the back area behind the maze. It's hard to tell though, but you might be able to see a little bit. Let's see if I can zoom in a little. Cool, hunt season. They've added a drink refill station at the Pinnacle Pickle. It's near the Calico Tater Bites and Shutter's Pizza. You can hear them building. This is the restroom area near Gold Mine Trails. Earlier we were on the hotel ledge right there actually. Right there. You can hear them build. Exciting. Forgot the gimbal. Well, actually I didn't forget it. I just forgot the chip for it. So I'm using my cheesy camera right now that I just use to take pictures, but it's all good. Gets the job done. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're all like getting on the floor and stuff when there's this like perfectly big hole right here. Oh wow, pretty cool though. Exciting stuff, you guys, exciting stuff. I wonder what it's going to be themed this one. I'm sure we'll know soon enough. This time we don't get on the floor. We're not getting on the floor no more. This time we don't get on the floor. We're not getting on the floor no more. I see a new security camera. Ooh, safety, safety. Yes. Ah, look, another new security camera. Pony Express is back open. Pony Express was down for a little bit, but it's back open now. And then I don't know if they're building for Haunt yet in here, but I'm sure they are. What do you guys think? Comment down below if they're building for Haunt yet inside here, if you think they are. Wow, check out the restaurant. It's looking awesome, isn't it? Clearly the train still isn't open because they got this thing going right over the railroad track, so that's probably a reason why it's closed. Or other reasons beyond me, I don't know. So yeah, it looks like these are actually steel plates that you see on the roads when they're doing construction. There's a big hole under there. They're probably retrofitting electrical, plumbing.
They are, they're doing it right now.
Oh,
I just saw them.
Oh, I don't know, I was over here. Mary snuck away from me. Front, here is a front look at it. I'm willing to bet those wood pieces right there is where the speakers are gonna go. For sure. Speakers, music. Oh wow, lots of action since we've last been here. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Wow. Cool. Exciting. Check a look at it. Oh, they're putting some landscaping. They're doing the trimming of the trees. Hopefully y'all can hear me. The piano player's jamming right now.
I know.
He's tickling the ivories. I love that trash can, by the way. It literally says backstage trash can. So Cordy's is now open. Check out our separate video for that because it's a whole 5-minute long video of everything in there. It's awesome. Check it out. Link down below. I'm sure build is going on in the Boardwalk Barbecue right now for Scary Farm. Some food. It's lunchtime. Boardwalk Barbecue. We got the meatballs with macaroni and cornbread. We're sharing it because I still don't have that dining plan yet. We got our lunch in. Now we're gonna go roam around the park more and get some updates for y'all. I think we need to still head to Fiesta Village. Mary saw this at Cordy's, but this is a giant chocolate solid milk chocolate coin. How cool is that? So the Ghost Town and Calico Railroad is still down, but they moved the coach cars all the way up to the front area so you could check them out. Get a closer look at them. It might be closed because of the construction that they're doing at the new restaurant, but they have the coach cars chilling all the way at the station so you can get a look at them. So you can see engine 340s in the roundhouse right now. I don't know if I could change the color. There's the Galloping Goose. Wave Swinger is back open. It's got a nice long line today. Whee! Wave Swinger, such a classic fun ride. Alright, let's go see if we could see anything going on at Zoom. The merry-go-round is back open. Awesome. Classic Bud Hurlburt ride. Yeah, this was his attraction, actually. He had to pay Walter Knott space to have it here. Fun fact. It sounds like they've updated the music a little bit. It didn't start playing until she started the ride, I've noticed. There she goes. We're over here at Montezuma's Revenge. We can't really tell much going on. I don't even know if I could peek through those little cracks and see if anything's going on back there. We'll go through Camp Snoopy and see if we can see anything. So it looks like at the High Sierra Ferris wheel, the gondola that was removed not too long ago has been put back on. They have all their gondolas back on. The lights are running right now. I don't know if that's just because they left them on accident, but I wonder if that's a good sign. Maybe she'll open soon. Summer is just around the corner, you guys. It's a nice day today. It's not super hot. I mean, it's probably like 80 degrees or something, I think. We're wearing black though because we're 25% goth.
The whole 25% goth, especially during the summer, is because I wear lighter colors so I don't die from the heat.
Exactly. But Mary, I don't know. See, I am wearing full black right now. I have a black tank top on, black shorts, and then my sandals are even black. And then our baseball jerseys are black, and then our hats are black too. Yeah. So this is the first time we've come here and there's not a line extending down here for the balloon race. Maybe that ride's brokey right now, or people just don't know it's there. But it still doesn't look like they've done much to Zoom yet. The train for sure is not on the tracks anymore, that's for sure. They've removed the train. There's the flywheel mechanics over there. Let's see, there's the flywheel mechanics. It doesn't look like it's really been touched. I mean, at least from what we could see, right? I'm sure, I mean, they have till next year, so they might not start doing some major stuff on this until next year, or maybe later on this year. What's Mary doing? She's at the lookout point. This is where there used to be a bridge over here to go across. And it's obvious since then blocked off that you could still go up here and get cool views of Camp Snoopy. Get out. Oh, cool. Cool, cool. Snoopy's gone fishing. So, if you look in that little peek hole right there, they're totally building behind Mystery Lodge for Haunt, for Scary Farm. Exciting. More permanent barriers around the Pinnacle Pickle. So you can get refills. No free refills. So you guys were chatting with Eugene over at the Geo Shop, and this has got to be one of the most expensive things I have ever seen at the park. This rock is $550. Inside the Geo's shop, there's a photograph of Mark Twain and a fake fireplace.
I asked and I was informed that there used to be story time around this fire.
Back in the days?
Back in the days.
Yeah, this is some old stuff. Oh look, there's an air conditioner.
I know.
That's why it's nice and cool in here.
This is the type of air conditioner that's at my grandma's house.
Alright, it's time to leave for the day. Had a nice couple of hours here. Not a full day, more like a half day. Half day at the farm. Let's exit. There's this designated smoking area for you smokers. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this trip report of Scary Farm and just park general updates.
Yes!
Lots of Scary Farm action going on right now.
Yes!
Can't wait. Just what, about 3 months to go, guys?
That's right.
3 months to go. Wow,
Almost
we're already there.
Excellent job to all the build team and the creative teams for making this one spooky.
Yes! We can't wait to see what you guys are up to. And thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new, consider hitting that subscribe button. It is free. And huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom, Cookie Trails, and Tucker Time.
Tucker Time!
Thanks guys, see you next video. Whoa, whatever are we doing? Uh-oh. Very sassy right now. A view of the new maze process from above, high above. There's where Dark Inities is. There's a new maze. And the depths is over there. And there's a new maze being built near Mystery Lodge. You guys can see it. You can hear saws right now. We hear saws.
I hear shots.
They're working on it as we speak. Hunt season is 3 months away, y'all.
And look at that, inside that maze right there where Paranormal Inc. used to be. It looks like a dark blue sky with white clouds.
So cool. Exciting. You can see them working on it down there right now. Cool. Cool stuff, guys. Exciting. 2 new mazes for sure. 2 new mazes for sure. We don't know what they are yet, but I'm sure they'll announce them within a few months. Or 2 months at least, right? For sure.